Okay, in this video we're looking at magnitude or modulus, and that's essentially the length of a vector. This formula here might look pretty familiar. It's actually like the distance formula or Pythagoras of what we learned before. So if you think about a vector v, you could take the x bit and the y bit, you do 2 squared plus 3 squared equals that modulus squared, just from your Pythagoras. So the modulus is square root of 2 squared plus 3 squared, which is root of 4 plus 9, which would be root of 13 for this vector. So that's an example of how to calculate a modulus. Okay, so let's find the magnitude or modulus of this vector. Mod A there equals square root of 4 squared plus 3 squared, which is square root of 16 plus 9, which is root 25. Which is actually just 5. So that's magnitude of A. Next, is this a unit vector? So what does a unit vector mean? It means it has a length of 1, or like a modulus of 1. So let's check. Modulus of B is going to be square root of 1 squared plus 0 squared, which is root of 1, which is 1. So yes, it is. Is this a unit vector? Let's check. So mod C here equals square root of a half squared plus a half squared, which is square root of a quarter plus a quarter, which is square root of a half. Well, no, because that would have to be 1, and it's not. We've got square root of 1 over 2. I think it ends up being about 0.707 from memory, which you can check on a calculator. All right, find a unit vector which is in the same direction as that vector. Fun fact, this is the vector we looked at just before. We figured out before that mod A was 5. I think we figured it out just up here. So we'll use that. The way you find a unit vector, first of all, the unit vector usually has a little hat on the top, a hat. Yeah, that's how you can draw unit vectors. And the formula for it is it's 1 over the modulus times your original vector. So we'll see how this plays out. It's going to be 1 over 5 times 4, 3. So what we actually get is 4 over 5 and 3 over 5. So if you look at your original vector A that goes 4 right and 3 up, it's pointing something like that, A. And then if we want to look at A hat, it's that red vector there. And that sort of just doesn't go quite as far. So it only has a length of 1, whereas A has a length of 5. If you want to be really fancy, you can actually work out the modulus of this, which we will do as a demonstration. So this was A hat, and so modulus of A hat equals 4 over 5th squared plus 3 over 5th squared, which is 16 over 25 plus 9 over 25, which is square root of 25 over 25, which is root of 1, which is 1. So we're very happy with that. The modulus of A hat is 1. So we found our unit vector.